Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Scott Bowes. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then subscribe, and I'm going to be doing photography videos on a regular basis. Try and do one every week, possibly more in the summer months. Although with the weather recently it's been a bit rubbish, so it's not looking good for more than one video a week at the moment. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going out to take some photos of a waterfall I know of nearby. I'm going to be doing like long exposures of a waterfall. I've not done a video covering long exposures yet, so I think it's about time I did one. And today I'm going to do something different. Usually I do the tutorials on my DSLR. Today I'm going to do it on both my DSLR and on my mobile phone, because on like modern phones you can actually do long exposures, so I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Right, so we're now on location. I'm going to do a bit of filming around the area before I get to the waterfall, so something's nice and scenic for you guys to see on this video. Kind of like a little vlog, but not a proper vlog. I'm going to be doing a proper vlog soon. So yeah, just keep watching. Well, it's actually an old abbey where the waterfall is. Rush Abbey, I think it's pronounced. Just outside Maltby in South Yorkshire. So yeah, let's go and head down that way, go for a walk and get to the waterfall. Right there guys, I don't know if you can hear me very well with this waterfall in the background, but here we are at the waterfall. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the tripod up, and I'm going to use my DSLR to film my phone, show you what I'm doing on my phone, and then I'm going to use my phone to film what I'm doing with my DSLR. So there you go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to overlay my voice in post-production, so that you can hear me better, because I don't think I'll be able to hear me very well with this waterfall in the background. Right, so first up we are using my phone. Just checking the camera settings there, was a bit pointless. Basically I want to swipe left and select Pro mode on the phone's camera. It's a Galaxy S7 in case you're wondering. This gives you options to change shutter speed. Unfortunately it doesn't give you the option to change the f-stop, but that's the shutter speed on that shot. I'm sure it is, let me see if I can see where it was. 1/10 of a second. So that's 1/50th of a second there. So as we take the shot, we can preview it, and you can see there's a little bit of motion blur with the water, but not a lot. You can change the settings to make it slower. I think my next shot was about 1/20th, yep, 1/20th. Take that shot, and as you can see, it makes everything a bit too bright on the screen. It makes everything a bit overexposed. I did one last shot, and I used 1/8 of a second, I'm sure. Yes, 1/8 of a second there. And as you can see, you get a preview of what it's going to look like, but it's way too bright. If I thought I should have brought a neutral density filter. So here we are with the DSLR. Fortunately for the DSLR, it does change the option, the f-stop number, as you set your photo up. I'm using TV mode, which is shutter priority, and as you can see, at 1 second exposure, that's quite good. But just to show you, you don't need 1 second, you can do it on less time. So here we are, 1/8 of a second, which was overblown on the phone, but on the camera, it looks pretty well. And as you can see, there's the modes up above. I'm just going to change it into auto and take one photo in auto mode so you can see what it looks like with the water frozen as it is. So there, as you can see, that's the water in its frozen state. Right, let's get back to some videos. There we go, as you can tell, back in the car now, heading home. The worst part of going to the work there is definitely the cobble road on the way in and way out. Obviously it's the same road, it's single file as well, single track, so if anything comes the other way you've got to reverse back and try and find somewhere to squeeze in to let cars get past you. So I'm heading home now. We're going to edit the footage together and do the voiceovers for those clips that I took, which me telling you this now makes no sense because you've already heard the voiceovers because you've already read this part of the video, so I don't know what I'm telling you. Basically I'm going to try and do another video this week some point, possibly. It's my birthday on Friday, so if you're watching this on Friday 9th of June, make sure you comment and wish me happy birthday. Basically, with the weather the way it is, it's not as if I can get out much. I do try to get out as best I can, but I try and make the most of what I'm given. So if I can go out, I'll get out. Last week was quite a warm week, and I didn't go out as much as I wanted to. Well, I did, but not with the camera, not to do photos and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get a video with the drone at some point soon. Get that up on the channel. I've not done any videos with the drone yet. Well, I've not done any video. I've done like little things, but they're not anything special, so there's no point uploading them. What I want to do is try and get something decent uploaded, put together. I am looking into doing my drone course for my CAA commercial drone license, because having a play with a drone, I think aerial photography and aerial cinematography is something that I do want to be doing in the future. So I will be looking into doing a drone course. Hopefully you guys can come along with me on that one. Obviously not come with me physically, but I'll be filming while I'm doing it. So hopefully that is something to look forward to in the coming months. If I get that, then I'll be doing a lot more aerial work with the drone. So cheers for making it this far, if you made it this far. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe. I'm looking to get as many subscribers as I can. Obviously I've only got a few at the moment, but hoping to grow this channel. And if you want to, you can share this video. If you know anyone that's into photography and needs tips, then there's plenty of other videos on my channel you can have a look through. And yeah, that's basically it. So cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.